In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honourable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics and we have completed 3 chapters. And day before yesterday we have started the 4th chapter, and it was the sounds of language. And that chapter we discussed that what is phonetics, what are the 3 branches of phonetics, and what are the functions of phonetics. Yesterday we talked about voiced and voiceless sounds. Today we are going to discuss and talk about that the place of articulation. That what is the place of articulation? What are active articulators? What are passive articulators? And what are the practical examples of active and passive articulators? And what are the names which are used in phonetics for the place of articulation? Listeners and audience, the place of articulation means where the sounds are produced. So where the sounds are produced is known as the place of articulation. And there are 2 types of articulators. The first one is known as active articulator and the next one is known as passive articulators. Active articulators are those which move towards passive articulator. On the other hand, passive articulators are those which do not move. Now, another question. What are active articulators? There are 2 types of active articulators. The first one is the lower lip of human being. The lower lip of human being, and the next one is the tongue of human being. And the tongue of human being has been divided in 4 parts, which also play the role of active articulators. It means the parts of the tongue, they are also active articulators. And what are those parts? We have the tip of the tongue, we have the back of the tongue, we have the front of the tongue, we have the blade of the tongue. So the first one, that is the back of the tongue. The next one, that is the front of the tongue. The third one, that is the blade of the tongue. And the last one, that is the back. The blade of the tongue, yes. On the other hand, we also have passive articulators. Passive articulators are those which do not move. Like we have the upper lip. Upper lip of human being, it is passive articulator. Same is the case, the teeth of human beings, they are passive articulators. As well as the palate. The palate is also known as the roof of the mouth, and it is passive articulator. Now, passive articulator, which is the palate, it has been divided in 3 parts. The first one, the teeth ridge. The next one, the soft palate, and the third one, the hard palate. You may see in the diagram as well. Now, listeners and audience, whatever I shared with you, active articulators and passive articulators, all these we produce consonant sounds by the help of them or through them. Now, in phonetics, there are some names which are used in the place of articulation or for the place of articulation. So you should know and recognize and understand the meanings of these names. So then you will know that how sounds are produced with these pairs of articulations. Like the first one, we have bilabial. These are the names which phonetically have been given. Like bilabial, or you may say pronounce it bilabial. Bilabial is popular. So bi, it is the combination of two words. Bi mean two and labial mean lips. So bilabial, two lips. So those sounds which are produced with the help of our two lips. So bilabial, upper lip and lower lip. Upper lip, it is passive articulator. It does not move. While lower lip, it is active articulator. It moves. And then we have labiodental. Labiodental mean it is also the combination of two words. Dental mean teeth and labio mean lip. So it actually refers to the lower lip because it is active articulator. And as I talk about the dental, then we have upper teeth. Dental mean teeth. We have upper teeth, we have lower teeth, and then we have the front of the teeth, we have the lower front, upper front, etc. So listeners, in the next lecture, we will try to talk about in detail that how sounds are produced through bilabial, through labiodental, through alveolar rings. So hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.